Many modern homes have big, empty walls that seem to want something. But what? Today we're going to look at a case study of one such fireplace wall. I'm Doug Walker, and this is Roominess. Roominess brings you straightforward steps to an inviting home. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. I found this homeowner's question online. They wanted to create visual interest on the walls on either side of their fireplace, but they didn't want to have bookcases or cabinets, and they didn't want to distract from the fireplace. Their general color scheme for the room was shades of gray and black and white. So what I did was to just start brainstorming, throw out a bunch of ideas. When you're brainstorming, don't think about, I like it or I don't like it. The way to have a good idea is to have lots of ideas. How about large framed black and white photos or prints from favorite artists? Or large plaster or stone reliefs in subtle off-whites hung in stacks on either side. Or large black and white antique finds, like road signs or ceiling tins. Road signs. That sounds subtle. Sure. Those jumped out at first, but the original post sounded like they'd like maybe something different. Maybe talk to a local fiber artist to create large-scale hangings. A friend of mine gave me a dupatta from India. I use it as a wall hanging. In our case study room, 2 dupattas in white and silver hung on either side of the fireplace may look great. Another approach would be to use mirrors here, adding dimension to the space, because it clearly needs to look bigger. Now maybe all of these ideas are still too bold for the author. Maybe they just wanted a subtle texture on the wall. Sponge painting and trompe-l'oeil are a bit passé at the moment, but there are some other ideas to consider. Any number of painting techniques with soft grays and off-whites could look wonderful. A wallpaper with subtle coloring like this geometric pattern create an accent wall effect. For large walls, taping off big squares and painting them white to medium gray in a grid pattern can break up the vast expanse of wall. Credit to Doug Wilson on Trading Spaces for that one. Work with a local artist to create a mural in subtle colors. The subject could be anything, any place, and any time. For something less expensive but way out there, find a copy of Van Gogh's Starry Night. Edit it so that it's black and white. Fade that image until it's just whites and grays. Project the image onto your wall, trace the white and gray areas, and paint them onto your wall. So you want us to paint by numbers now. This example home had tall blank walls. What if you're trying to make your walls feel taller? I have a video about that right over here. You should watch. It's short. I'll see you there.